Good morning, it is Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market opens up here in about 15 minutes. Watching ASUR, some good movement, nice little price range here, and we'll see potentially maybe a pre-market trade, but if not, I'll just see you back at 9:30 at the official open. I have an order at 50.45 to get short here on AMBA. Key break's going to be that $50 round number. Very, very jumpy mover, so I apologize ahead of time if I miss the entry point, but at least I have it documented here. Okay, going for the break again. 50 as expected, being pretty stubborn. Oh, wow. Well, I am in, and that happened in the blink of an eye. So again, opening allotment in at, I just need to stop talking here for a second. So got 1,000 shares now, average of 50.88. Excuse me, 50.82. So I got those. Try to get some more up there. Got those ones. Skill some buy orders out there. So looking for a pullback here. Again, have orders at 51.10, 51.01. Quite the crazy mover here. Let's see what it wants to do. As you've seen, obviously this one can move very fast. So I will go ahead and pause it for the time being. And if it looks like I'm going to add more or be able to lock in some profits, I will get the video rolling. Okay, making a move downwards here. Again, I'm at 51.10. So it got somewhat close. So I will go ahead and pause again. Okay, it's seemingly a lot of selling pressure here. Okay, so I got out some at 51.10. Let's see if it wants to try back down there again or not. Okay, next exit point at 51.01. So holding up pretty stubbornly right here. Let's see if it can pull back or not. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause, and I will keep you updated. All right, I'm going to just go ahead and attempt to get out there. See if it wants to get me out at the 52 mark. Well, this one just did not go how I wanted at all, and out with a $1,300 loss. And that's just how it happens sometimes. For those of you that have watched my videos, yeah, I do. I get a lot of wins, but sometimes, as I've said and done many videos about, when I do take a loss, in many situations, the loss is bigger than the wins, as we have here. So definitely not fun. I'm not gonna, sit here and act like, oh, this is totally fine. I mean, it's annoying. I mean, it's fine in the sense of actually, what's going on here with BABA? Let me make this alert in the chat room quick. So, like I said, not going to sit here and try to make it seem like I'm not bummed or anything like that, because of course I am. But at the same time, you got to realize that losses happen. Losses are part of the game, and that's just how it goes. And in hindsight, probably shouldn't have been as greedy waiting for him to see if it was going to drop down below 51. But it is what it is, and that's why it's hindsight. Had it flushed down through 51, I'd be looking at a very nice size winner, but I didn't. I decided to see if it wanted to roll back over, and then it was looking, as you saw here, like it wanted that breakout. It got the breakout. Problem was I wasn't quite fast enough getting out on the breakout, so I had to take I wanted to keep that under $1,000, but the breakout got out of hand on me, and I had to chase it a little bit in getting stopped out. But like I said, that's just what's happened sometimes. And sure, I do not want to post this video at all, but hey, I hit the record button, so I'm posting it. So I'm sure there'll be plenty of armchair quarterback traders out there that'll lecture me on everything I should have done right. So I welcome the criticism. You tell me what I should have done. But and I'm saying all that tongue in cheek. But I'm just going to go ahead and wrap it up. That's and maybe here we'll have it pull back, and I could have gotten out. But like I said, all in hindsight. But if you did enjoy this video in a weird way, I guess, then hit that like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to trade alongside me and other traders, which always sounds kind of goofy, why would I want to trade alongside you? Just took a loss. Totally understandable, but like I said, if you go through the other videos, you'll see plenty of winners. But you can go to claytrader.com/team and check that out. And then finally, if you're interested in learning how to trade with charts and such, then just go to claytrader.com, and that's called the Trading Freedom Pathway Program. So yeah, little bummed right now, but it is what it is. Losses happen, and yeah, in my strategy, like I said, sometimes you'll take bigger losses. But overall, my strategy is a high win rate strategy. So I'm not concerned or anything like annoyed. Yes. Concerned. No. Just got to keep at it and, keep pressing forward and just let the strategy do its thing. But thank you for hanging out. Thank you for watching, and I will see you back for the next video. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.